You escape the 9 to 5 just to work 80-hour weeks. What if your business could run itself in year one? I've automated multiple seven-figure businesses. Here's exactly how you do it in 2026. The entrepreneur's trap. You're the marketer, accountant, support rep, developer exhausted and broke. Set and forget isn't laziness. Steve Jobs didn't assemble iPhones. Your job is designing systems, not doing everything. 2026 reality. AI isn't optional. You're competing against AI-powered businesses. Without it, you lose. 3 pillars make this work: automated acquisition, automated fulfillment, automated optimization. Let's break them down fast. Pillar 1, getting customers on autopilot. Your stack. ChatGPT creates content. Canva makes graphics. Opus Clip repurposes videos. Buffer schedules everything. 1 day per month. Batch create. AI multiplies 10 times. Automation distributes daily, but you need capture. Landing page offers value. Visitor downloads. Email sequence triggers automatically. Day 1, welcome. Day 3, story. Day 5, education. Day 7, pitch. Runs 24/7 while you sleep. Months 1-3, build it. Months 4-12, 1-hour monthly reviews, done. Pillar 2, delivering without being enslaved. Digital products, Kajabi hosts courses, HeyGen creates AI videos, chatbots answer 90% of questions, customer buys, gets instant access. You spend 1 hour weekly training AI. Services, Dubsado handles contracts. ClickUp manages tasks. AI drafts emails. You document processes months 1-6, hire VA month 7 who follows your systems. Physical products, Printful produces. Shopify AI handles support. Amazon FBA ships. Automate in layers. By month 12, minimal daily input required. Pillar 3, systems that improve themselves. Your ads, AI tests creative, adjusts targeting automatically. Performance improves monthly without you touching it. Your pricing, dynamic tools adjust based on demand. My product increased revenue 34% with 0 manual changes. Your experience, AI analyzes feedback, runs A/B tests, implements winners. You get weekly summaries. 52 improvements per year equals exponential growth. What you need, analytics platform, dashboard, AI insights, monthly 30-minute reviews. Months 1-2, foundation, 40-50 hours per week building. Months 3-4, systems live, 30-40 hours per week. Months 5-7, first hire. 20-30 hours per week, higher leverage. Months 8-10, scaling 15-25 hours per week. Months 11-12, freedom. 10-20 hours per week, strategic work only. Not passive, your CEO. But the machine runs without you for days or weeks. Your essential stack: 1, AI assistant, Claude, ChatGPT. 2, email, ConvertKit. 3, payment, Stripe. 4, automation, Zapier. 5, analytics, Google Analytics. 5, fatal mistakes. 1, automating before you understand the process. 2, trusting AI without human review. 3, making automation feel robotic. 4, no backup systems. 5, researching forever instead of implementing. Pick good enough tools. Start today. Iterate later. Your next 7 days. Day 1, list every task you do weekly. Day 2, mark which are automatable. 60-70% will be. Day 3, sign up for your essential 5 tools. Day 4-5, automate 1 thing, get 1 win. Day 6, document it with screenshots. Day 7, plan your 90-day automation roadmap. 7 days, first automation running. Clear roadmap for year 1. You wanted freedom. You got a prison. 2026 gives you AI that works, systems that scale, businesses that run themselves, money while you sleep, growth while you vacation. This isn't fantasy, it's your blueprint. Download the free checklist below, complete timeline, tools, costs. Subscribe for weekly automation strategies. Comment what you're automating first. Your automated business starts today. Build something amazing.